Hi, hello. Welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we move to talk about a special topic, sonic boom. When the speed of any object exceeds the speed of sound, it is said to be traveling at supersonic speed. Bullets, jet, aircraft, etc. often travel at supersonic speeds when a sound producing source moves with a speed higher than that of sound. It produces shock waves in air. These shock waves carry a large amount of energy. The air pressure variation associated with this type of shock waves produces a very sharp and loud sound called sonic boom. The shock waves produced by a supersonic aircraft have enough energy to shatter glass and even damage buildings. Okay? Thank you.